Is going on, guys? So coming at you with a wrenching video. So I had to rob some parts off of SON-UVA Digger for another build, which I'm not going to show you. But I have the replacement parts. Yes, I had to rob some bearings out of the front axle. So let's get tools around, more parts around, and let's get to it. Alright guys, so I kind of started already, and then I decided to make this video because I realized I didn't have a video made for you guys for Friday morning. So here we are working on SON-UVA Digger. And currently he is 2-wheel drive. So we shall tear into this and tear him apart. So the first thing we are going to do is take off the steering knuckles. Actually, I think I'm going to take this thing right all the way apart. Take off the front steering linkage. As you can tell, it's mounted totally different because I had to piece this back together because I needed this part from the original trio steering linkage for the rear steer on the Gladiator. So yes, I'm taking this all apart, and hopefully this goes together and comes apart with ease, because I do not want to be up until 5 o'clock in the morning, because right now it is currently 2 o'clock Friday morning and I am making this video for you guys. So there's that. Just like that, and now we take the knuckles off, just like that. Take the bottom one out, like so. That is not good. Alright, be right back, guys. Alright guys, we got it out. That was a battle because I did what I totally stress over and over again. I over tightened this top knuckle on here and I broke the head off of one of the screws. So, note to self, do not over tighten your bolts. So yeah, so now we shall take the other one off. You have to be very careful when tightening these things down as to not over tighten, because you would just do what I just did. Not very good thing to do. And you guys can't even see what I'm doing. So, take this knuckle off. Ta-da. Just like that. And now we need to take the front diff cover off. And just like this. So, if you caught my short that I made for the reminder of Wednesday night comp night, you will have noticed that I have officially started my new job. So back when I met my wife, I was an over-the-road truck driver. And for those of you who are not familiar with that term, over the road is just that. I went from Michigan all over the nation, Cali, all over the place. I have been to not all the lower 48, but I have definitely been to every single state except for Maine, Delaware, and that's it. Maine and Delaware are the only states I have not been to. So I've definitely seen quite a bit of the country. Grant you, it's from the windshield of my truck, but nonetheless, I have definitely seen the country. And it is quite beautiful out there, I have to admit. Very, very beautiful country we live in. So, I did the whole proper thing when I met my wife. I took her parents out to dinner, and I asked them for their blessing in marrying their daughter. And they had one main concern, and that was my involvement in raising kids whenever we got to the point of raising kids. They wanted to make sure that I was going to be around for the raising of said kids. And lo and behold, here I am. So, oops, losing my screws here. So when I had initially taken them out to dinner and they gave me that concern, I was like, okay, well, that is totally reasonable. I will make that happen as long as you give me said time to do so. And I did it in like a fraction of the time. I managed to line up a job so that when we got back from our honeymoon, I could get off the road driving truck, and I went back into the collision repair business. So I went back to painting cars for a living. So I did that for a significant amount of time, and then I went into the landscaping business for Clearbrook, which you guys know is seasonal. So that is where the snow plowing came into hand. Snow plowed for a little bit, and then I landed this job that I have now, driving truck again. And I'm home every night, and it pays really well. But that is what I was doing when I put that short out the other day. I was in my office, aka my truck, driving down the road. So yeah, it's definitely a good thing. And now today, or yesterday I should say, I had the chance to go visit my really good friend Jim. He lived within like, I don't know, I think he was like 20 miles away from where I delivered. I called him, I was like, Jim, guess what? I'm gonna be basically delivering in your backyard. Do you know where such and such a place is? He's like, oh, I know right where that is. So he met up with me and we checked out a little hobby shop. Yeah, it was a good time. I did not need to take that diff cover off, but I did nonetheless. Now we shall get this thing in there. Alright. My little boy just woke up again, so I will be right back. And we are back. And now I have to try to get this little guy into here, which he is not cooperating. There we go. Oh, no. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this off, and we're going to take that out. Get out. Sure, when you want to get these stupid little parts out, they don't come out. And when you don't want to get them out, they fall out like crazy. There we go. So now I'll take that out. Now we'll stick this in here. Ta-da! Oop. Come on, get in there. I think that's it. Got one in. And we gotta fit a bearing in there that I forgot about. So now we get to get that thing back out. Be very gentle, there we go. And bearing. Just stick that on the shaft. Just like that. And try to fit that back in there again. Oh yeah. Make sure that bearing is seated in there good, which it looks like it is. Now we'll do the same to the other side. Bingo, bango, bongo. And now we put the steering knuckles back in. And my boy just woke up one more time. Oh, that's not even the right side. Ha! That was fun. Stick a little pin back in here. Oh shit. You can tell I've been up for quite a long time. Fingers and my brain are not working together right now. Bingo, bango, bongo. Now we should attempt to stick this back on. Is being kind of a pain. Alright, let me figure this out. Okay, we are back. Flip that up there. Yeah, just wasn't lining up right, but now we have got it. Make sure this little brass bushing doesn't come off. Stick that right down in there like that. home. Not to over tighten. Bam. And now we still stick the stiff cover and everything back on so it stops moving around on me. I have to get me some new ones of these. These are getting kind of beat up. The long ones go on the top, guys. Really long. Bada bing, bada boom. So simple. There's the top two. Now I'll do the other four. Definitely don't want to break these off, over tighten these, because you will never get them out. Just this simple, guys. We are almost done. So yeah, getting back to my career change again. Yeah, the company I work for now is still kind of in the landscaping. I guess it's more of the house side of it. They make what I like to call lick and stick brick. It's a landscaping term. It is basically the brick that goes on the front of houses. If you can see some of it on my track, the gray like slabs of stone looking stuff that I have back here. Tilt the camera up, move my shoulder. Nope, you can't see it there. Maybe it's behind me. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. Yeah, they make that stuff. And once it's made, I load it on a truck after it's loaded into pallets and boxes and crates, and I bring it to the different suppliers. Today or yesterday I was actually able, like I said, to hook up with my buddy Jim, deliver down by his house, and we checked out a local hobby shop, which for the life of me I can't think of the name of right now, which is really retarded, mainly because I'm lacking sleep. But yeah, definitely a place to check out. I will leave a link to it in the description. So check them out. They have all kinds of stuff. And it's literally like, if you didn't know it was there, you would never find it. It's actually inside a lawn care business. They sell like chainsaws, lawnmowers. Yeah, it's a really cool place. Definitely worth checking out. He has so much stuff in stock. It is ridiculous. I think he had like probably 15 to 20 SCX24s. And yeah, he had Gladiators, both color Deadbolts, both color Gs, both color C10s. Yeah, it was so sweet being able to check him out. Oh, come on. Gotta get my... Oops. Replacement screw for the one I broke. Get my little brass collar. Whoa, shoot. Almost lost that one. Pop the body open again. Just like this. Oh no! Butterfingers. There we go. Oh, man, struggle bus. Struggle bus. And just like that, we are done with the knuckles. So cool. Now, we'll slide this back on. So cool. Now we are going to be able to use him again. It's going to be so sweet. Been missing this guy. Kind of a fun truck to drive. Very difficult to drive, but fun nonetheless. Stick that back up there. And it looks like I lost my screw. Yep, totally lost it. Penalty. Go into my stockpile here. Those look like they're too long. What happened to my screw? Let's see if one of these guys... Nope, that ain't gonna work. Ooh, found one. Jackpot. Bam. Oh yeah. So cool. Hell yeah. And now we shall get the battery, which is over here. I did relocate all the electronics in here in the grand scheme of getting the body to mount lower. So yeah, you can see the ESC up on top now. All right. Oh yeah. But we don't have throttle. Oh, the battery's dead. Huh. Imagine that. That's a shocker. Jason has a dead battery. Ta-da! Oh, did I put those on the right side? I did not. Oh my gosh, guys. I totally put them on the wrong side. Oh boy. Alright, I'm going to switch these around and be right back. Alright guys, we are all switched back around. I apologize, it's been a very long day. But we are ready to rock. So stinking cool. Plug it in again. So sweet. So nice. So awesome. Got some binding going on. Probably over tightened something, but look at that. We are ready to go. It's probably because my suspension is so freaking maxed out. We definitely have something going on, but I will definitely track the source of that down and get it figured out, because there's definitely some binding going on. But anyway guys, we have four-wheel drive again. Apologize for the mess ups. It's just been a very long day, but I got a video made for you guys, and you guys can pick it apart and make fun of me all you want, because that is what I'm here for. For your amusement. So, hopefully you guys enjoy, and we will see you tomorrow. Take it easy, guys.